Yogakshemam, 16 October 2020. Nature and Universe. In Telangana, the Navratri is referred as Batukamma, the mother of life, the goddess of life, the festival of flowers, fruits and vegetation. The zero day is no moon day, the day of Nijarupam. Let us open up and see true self clearly and work on the self, starting with Navratri. No anger, no judgments, no grudges, forgive, accept, love. No jealousy, no guilt, no fear, gratitude for all one has, share the abundance. Coming across Ajayveer Jhakar, a farmer from Punjab, president of Bharat Krishak Samaj, to be watched, natural farming champion in the making. Foresight Experts virtual workshop on 15 October is working on the experts group becoming a team to work next 6 to 9 months forward. Scenario happens because we work as we go in the journey towards the scenario, say in 2050. Many actions on the way, many of them could be deliberate, many others can be responding to others' actions. Journey dynamics cannot be ignored, projections cannot be linear. We need to consider limits too. Local consumption, nutrition need to be factored in. Growth too. The triggers for transition too. The quality of the produce can also give higher prices. Can we measure per unit land productivity over a year rather than a crop, season, etc.? Biomass, income, etc. Can we also look at larger land units, say habitation, watershed? How do we have right data? Can we compare with right parameters, say cost without subsidies? Family economics do matter. Any historical experience learnings that need to be considered from SERB, CMSA and MKSP, etc. The progression. Framework of foresight. 2 to 3 competing scenarios. Vision of natural farming steady state, business as usual, and maybe a hybrid. Building these scenarios using foresight, agribiome tools, sensitivity analysis, recommendations, and insights for way forward. Policy et al. This may take 6 to 9 months. I keep getting back on this as we progress. Mental stunting. It struck me. 150 million under the age of 5, 10% plus suffer from stunting in the world. This is from not having right nutrition in the first 1,000 days. This impairs their mental and physical development. They are less immune. They are less likely to achieve their cognitive potential. They are likely to be poor. Natural farming can play a role here. Remembered APJ Abdul Kalam, 89, birth 15 October. People's President, Bharat Ratna, Missile Man, developed Kalam Raju stent, Kalam Raju tablet for healthcare. He lived simple. He was late nighter. His possessions included books, veena, CD player, laptop, etc. He was spiritual to the core as described in Transcendent My Spiritual Experiences with Pramukh Swami. Kalam said, "No manners are required anymore as I am placed in my final position in eternity." He concluded, developing spirituality in India is a way forward for India. Open source technologies and free software are the way ahead. He interacted with thousands of students and inspired them towards developed India. Kalam's books inspire. These include Wings of Fire, Ignited Mind, The Luminous Sparks, Turning Points, A Journey Through Challenges, A Manifesto for Change, Advantage India from Challenge to Opportunity. These books would feed India Plan Forward. Lead India Foundation has come into being with his inspiration. UN has declared 15 October as World Students' Day, appreciating Kalam as a dedicated teacher first. Students need a vision for life with fundamentals of value which they need to practice. Teachers has a role here. This year, the theme is learning for people, planet, prosperity and peace. Let us do that. Let us teach that our young students. World Food Day, FAO Foundation Day 2020. Theme is Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our actions are our future. Natural farming examples are celebrated. World Food Programme received Nobel Peace Prize 2020. Let us move from food security to nutrition, health, immunity, security. Let us go natural. Let us go local. Poverty Eradication Day. This year, we realize that poverty has reached crisis proportions in the South. We see growing inequities. We see less relevance of GDPs. We need to go towards happiness. We need to go for essentials, all of us. We need to rework on the markets. We need to increase the proportion of consumer rupee of all small producers and service providers. We need more micro, nano, pico enterprises. We need direct producer-consumer linkages. We need to abandon non-essentials. We need to have limits to minimum wage versus maximum wage. We need universal basic incomes. We need care for 1,000 days to 18 years, including free education and primary health care and the elder care. We need them yesterday, and we may not tolerate absence and delays. Time is now. Let us have minimum needs and let them be there. When we save our essentials, we come out of poverty, vulnerability, and marginalization. Air, water, food, nutrition, health, immunity, clothing, shelter, engagement, entertainment. Let us spend less time, energy, money. Let us invest in relationships, not goods and materials. The need to work with individuals, collectives, support organizations, networks, programs, missions, movements is acute now. 7L coexistence is gearing up to pool up life workers, associates, professionals, intern fellows, volunteers, and resource persons and partners, partner organizations, and meet this acute need in India and outside. Soon enough, life nature, non-life nature coexist. They interact in their own ways. It is not easy to distinguish. Some are visible and some are not. Some are on the surfaces, some are inside. Human influence is far larger than their share. In any case, nature heals all life. It heals itself in its own way. Let Bihar choose poverty reducers. Let Bihar choose community developers. Let Bihar choose nature's friends. Let us be with nature. Let us live in nature. Let us celebrate life with nature and in nature. Let us sense nature. Let nature lead us and let us become nature. Let us spend our 10,000 hours into becoming nature with the dedication, discipline and practice of Sobha Naidu to Kuchipudi. Let us get nature followers to carry this nature legacy. Otherwise, nature goes on without us. Nature reminds us to behave. Today has been one such day. I guess we will not forget this as time passes. Realize there is a play between life and non-life, life and life, nature and nature, nature and universe. Sakti Siva, Radha Krishna, Parvati Parmeswaru, Parvatipa Rameswara, Sita Rama, Rukmani Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Bharati Brahma, Prayag Nadi Sagar. There is a woman in a man and man in a woman. If we relate properly, there is magic there. Humankind would be blessed. Life would be blessed. Nature would be happy. Universe would be happy. Can we see nature and universe together? Can we go with nature, be with nature, sense nature, see nature and universe? Let us coexist locally with and in the nature, being useful to nature and universe for 7L. Join us in the world of yoga, of coexistence in nature, of nature and universe. Atmakya Yoga for 7L.